Each volunteer will like to share for all of you. And it's for the love of our parents who bestowed to us by sending us to Precious Gems Kindergarten School in our first term. These were classes and where we have patiently attended in order to learn something worthwhile. Oh, is for the outstanding grade we try to achieve by listening, studying, and learning relationships. And for the moments we have celebrated together,